are a couple of absolutely enormous woodpeckers in this tree. There they go. Gosh, I wonder if I can get them. Huge freaking woodpeckers. Oh, there she is. Look. Look how big that thing is. Oh, please don't go away. It's right up there. Oh gosh, I have not seen that kind of woodpecker in so long. Usually we get the much smaller ones. I'm so sorry to be shaky. Sorry, I'm holding this freeform and I don't have a gimbal. Wow. That's pretty incredible. I'm gonna see if I can brace myself up on the fence so I can get a less shaky view. Okay, hang on. Oh man, he flew away. Okay, so that was pretty neat. I haven't seen a big pileated woodpecker like that in a long time. Certainly not two of them together. A long time, like years. I can hear that they haven't gone very far away. Every now and then I can still hear their call. It's very distinctive. So I hope they come back. If they do, I'm gonna keep my eye out and try to get some better video. Hopefully I'll see them again soon. They are native to Southeast Texas, but like I said, you just don't see them very often. So pretty neat, and I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching.